celebrity? Well, I'm here to help. With some celebrity inspiration and $1,000, it's time for a makeover. This is You Wish You Lived Here.
Yo, my name is Dion, and this is my space. My little space, it's not working for me. And one of my influence from hip-hop is Drake. I see where he posts videos of his house and how he make it creative. I'm really trying to live that Drake life. Can you help me, please?
Celebrity style doesn't have to cost a fortune. I heard Dion wants to transform his studio into a Drake-inspired spot, and I'm gonna help him do that for under $1,000. Hey Dion, help us ride.
Come on in.
Wow. So, what is happening here?
All right, so this is like my bedroom slash living room, you know, slash.
Office.
Yeah.
Closet.
You see my curtain? Dope, baby. Yeah. And then, you know, you got my couch over here.
Your couch is blocking most of the kitchen entryway.
I used to live in a bigger place, but I broke up with my ex and took the furniture with me. I've been a fan of Drake, and I just enjoy like how he moved as a mogul and a businessman.
You ready to rock?
Let's get it.
All right. Dion's spot may have started from the bottom, but it is sure to look like something straight out of the Hollywood Hills. Or Toronto, wherever Drake's living these days. Here's the plan. Drake loves modern, sleek design. We're gonna brighten up the walls to make it feel airy and maximize space by adding more storage. Next, I'm gonna bring in that celeb glamour with the Midas touch of gold and fur. Drake doesn't take himself too seriously, so I'm gonna add in some fun elements to finish out the space and add some surprises too. Paint is one of the least expensive, most effective ways of transforming a space. And while it dries, let's DIY. Small changes can make a big difference. My personal favorite is spray paint. I'm giving Dion's old dressers a blingy new look. Remember, when you're going for it, be about 5 to 8 inches away so you get that smooth finish. I also found this owl at the thrift store for $1.99. With a coat of gold paint, it's totally Drake-worthy. Since Drake is a platinum-selling artist, here's how easy it is to create this clock version instead. Grab an old clock and your least favorite record. Spray paint it. Cut out a label cover using construction paper. Glue it on, take the clock apart, and grab the clock kit. Insert the clock mechanism through the hole. It's that simple. Enjoy! Drake loves to sport faux fur, so I'm bringing Dion a DIY faux fur rug. There's cool rugs, or there's cheap rugs, but this rug combines them both. I went to my local fabric store and got some faux fur material for 30 bucks and then this adhesive wrap for 10. Use fabric glue to attach the adhesive wrap so that it doesn't slip out from under your feet. That's it. Drake loves using neon in his music videos. He even has this neon sign hanging up on his own wall. Custom neon signs can cost up to $1,000, but we're making Dion one with LED L wire for way less. This cost me $11. So grab some colored cardboard and a cheap poster frame, and let's get started. Print out your quote or design. Keep it short so you don't run out of wire. Mark where the holes will go. Anytime your pencil is lifted, you'll need to have the wire exit. Make 1/4-inch holes. Take L wire to the back side and start to thread it in and out. Plug in the battery and turn it on. Dion's place was full of stuff, but lacking in style. We added a fresh coat of paint, removed his oversized furniture, and added lots of Drake flair, getting Dion's place looking like the best he's ever had. Let's see if Dion agrees. Okay, Dion, check out your new space.
This is so lit! Let's get it! Oh, you got me dripping in gold?
Yeah! Unless you want your old furniture back. I can arrange that. I got my team.
Let's get
So I had to get rid of the couch, but don't worry because your bed can go on double duty. And during the day, it can be a day bed, and at night, you can lounge and sleep away. I got this barber's chair for a steal online, and you know how Drake likes his face?
crispy.
So we made you your own Drake jersey. But that's not all. Convertible desk. Because you said you needed your studio as a workspace.
I can have meetings and everything up here.
You can work hard and you can play hard. Believe it or not, this rug cost less than a Drake logo tee.
What?
I kid you not. Drake's new mansion in Toronto is gonna have a room dedicated to candy. Hope this will serve as a replacement.
I like it though.
You used to have a 32-inch TV, and now you've got this.
Are you serious? A projector?
Yeah!
Oh, let's go!
This projector and screen costs $200. That's less than most 30-inch TVs. What? We got rid of your sheets, put in some shades, and added a personal touch.
They change colors?
They change colors.
Hey, so what we do now?
We added all these Drake-inspired upgrades for a grand total of $999.75. What are we gonna do with that extra quarter?
I love my new spot. It's amazing. I'm not embarrassed to have people come over anymore, and now I can actually get some work done.
You wish you lived here? Because I do. Now, subscribe for more episodes of You Wish You Lived Here.